With so many businesses struggling during the pandemic, tonight we look at ways some are advancing without a lot of red tape. News Channel reporter John Palmentary gives us a closer look at the process one business owner just completed.
I just knew I had to do it. It wasn't something, should I do it? It was, I have to do it.
Opening a new business during a pandemic has been viewed as risky, depending on what your services are.
If you're brave enough to do it, you'll do well.
Dr. Doug Katzev is now in his new Santa Barbara Eye Care Center on Delavina and Calle Lorales. After 30 years at Sansum, he didn't just take over one space, he bought an entire building. But with it, he's added Goleta Valley Optical and keeps an architect, the Cruz Dance Studio, and his own barber at the Palms. But to make this dream possible, he made a convincing presentation to the city.
I went to the city and said, hey, we got a problem with COVID. And I've got post-op patients, and if I can't get this done, I'm going to have nowhere to go to see these patients. And they were very instrumental.
Even though some business owners have been told to hold off until the COVID-19 crisis is over, when it comes to medical services, that's viewed as a priority. In modern times, much of the design and construction work had to be done through Zoom meetings and some physical inspections.
After going through the process, you realize they do try hard, but there's so many rules that are set aside that they have to follow.
This opening serves a growing patient population that has many needs, especially in one area.
Cataract surgery is booming just because that's our population. Baby boomers have cataracts. Population is over 45. LASIK is not really the answer, it's really the lens. And so you need to have this equipment to make sure you got the right lens.
While some business plans have been fuzzy during these stressful times, this was one that's come into focus and serves a vital need.
But you really got to do the right thing for the long haul for what you're going to do.
In Santa Barbara, I'm News Channel reporter John Palmentary.
San Luis Obispo County announced 31 new COVID-19 cases today. There are now 248 active cases. 7 people are hospitalized, with 2 in the intensive care unit. More than 3,200 people have recovered. Paso Robles has the highest number of cases in the county with 837. San Luis Obispo is second highest with 583. Atascadero is